Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install Google Chrome on your macOS. So for doing this, first thing, just open Safari. So after, you just need to write in Safari Google Chrome. So after, just open it, and here just choose download Google Chrome. So after, just open downloads. After, it will successfully download it, and just wait until it will successfully download, and you will be able to open it. So now just wait until it will open. So now just move it to applications, just get this icon and just move it to applications, and after it will successfully install Google Chrome to your apps, just open it and use. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like on bye.